What's up, everyone? Zachamus Prime, aka Zachamus Prime, here with the Transformers video review. And today, the figure I'm taking a look at is the Transformers Legacy Geeeeeeaars. This guy is actually pretty freaking gnarly. He's a deluxe class figure, I want to say. But he's just got some interesting engineering on him that makes him work out really well. But yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, molded primarily in red and blue. I do like that this is all red plastic and this is all blue plastic. Well, I guess that's a paint app right there, isn't it? Yeah, it is. That's a paint app. That's blue plastic. That's paint app. But yeah, he's kind of a well-made figure. Like he's got good color separation, plus like, you know, posable wrists and decent transformation and butterfly joints. We almost never see butterfly joints on a Transformer, so on an official Transformer at least. In terms of accessories, he comes with one accessory, which is his gun. It'll fit in his fist, either fist, of course. And he holds it quite well. And it's done really well. He's got a little detail here. You open that up and he's got like guts, not painted out or anything like that. I feel like, and I don't know for certain, it's been a long time since I've seen the show, but I feel like this is a reference to a scene in the show. So correct me if I'm wrong, which I might be, but anyhow, in terms of articulation, his head is super wide. It's on a ball joint here. It only turns this far before it bumps into the bumper of the backpack. It bumps into the bumper. But if you are okay with moving that backpack a little bit, like that's literally all you need to move it for full rotation. So his shoulders are in universal joints. They go out and they go out for the full tree pose. Plus they go back and forth on butterfly joints. He's got a bicep swivel. He's got a double jointed elbow. He's got a wrist swivel. He's got a waist swivel. Legs go forward that much, go backwards that much, go out for the full van down. He's got a thigh swivel. He has double jointed knees. And he's got ankle tilt, just like hella ankle tilt. You can store his gun on his back, like so. He also has little armorizers, or whatever they call them this time around, ports on the back, the leg, and the bottom of the feet. So that's gnarly. To get this guy transformed up, what you want to do is start by flipping his head around, take his arms and bend them all the way up. If you open up this panel here and then open up this panel here, you can flip out these little wheelie dealies. And then you can flip his arms in like so. And then you can take these wheels, open them up, bring this down. There's these little tabs here. They're going to go into slots here. And then for the feet, what we're going to do is we're going to open up these panels here, and then this is just going to come all the way around. So you can see why he's got such excellent posability. Most all of it is all part for the transformation. Actually, yeah, basically all of it's parts for the transformation. The only thing that happens that I don't particularly like is his chest is just so obviously on the back of the vehicle. But, I mean, what can you do? Plug this into what used to be a leg port. That's something. I kind of wish that they had figured out a way to put it down here. Like it could have gone here, or it could have gone. If you turn his hand, it messes up the transformation a little bit, but I'll show you guys how it works. If you guys turn his hand like so, and then you can take this and park it in his fist. And store it on the underside of the vehicle. And there's enough clearance to let it go. So that's an idea. Of course, I ain't your boss. I don't even know who you are, probably. But yeah, it's pretty swanky. But yeah, this is a Studio Series. Wait, this is a Studio Series or Legacy? I don't know if I'm actually borrowing this from a buddy of mine. But I do know that this is being re-released in like a vintage style packaging, and I think that's really cool. So, but that's about all I got for this guy. It's really good engineering in in a nice little figure. And I don't know that we've gotten a Gears toy since, they first came on their kick of, oh, let's remake all of the G1 toys. Let's make all the G1 characters like freaking, what, 15 years ago? I don't know that we've gotten a Gears toy in all that time. Again, I'm probably wrong, so correct me if I am, but you can also flip his wheels in like this. Now he's doing the like War for Cybertron hover mode. But anyhow, that's all I got. Thanks everybody for watching. You guys are fantastic. Everybody stay awesome and be good to each other. See ya.